Oklahoma. 5-9 in Oklahoma, thanks. NA1 KW, who ends in Victor?
You know what, man? We've had a free-for-all here on this fellow, this activator. He's in Missouri, NA1 KW. I like the call, it's cool. But here, first, this is the reason why I'm feeling a little more mellow now, but only a little. Even though the furnace starts, let's look at this. Let's look at this. This guy, man, he has had some action, man. And it's a good time. It's a good time, man. That's why I get so pissed off at the way the POTA system's been working lately. And it's getting worse in a hurry. Now, not only the RBN skimmers, now my human report will be replaced by a report of, and I quote, no information available. Or, or no spot information, whatever it says, man. That kind of, anyway, man. You know what? It's a free-for-all, and it's a good time. It's fun as hell, even if you're one of the chasers, one of the mad hounds. And there's a bunch of them trying to work this guy. Oh, man. Advice for the POTA chaser. There was a guy, another chaser, that was just hammering in here like he was 20 dB over 9, right? And I was trying to call around him, wait till he was done, tail end him, or maybe jump the gun on him, and then I realized the reality. He's 20 dB over 9 in my receiver, but who knows in the activator's receiver, right? And so don't let a signal that's just hammering loud stop you from keying up right over top of him, because that's what I did with that 20 dB over 9 signal. Me with my little shit. Right now I'm using the 80 meter end fed. It was louder than my 40 meter dipole. So I just said, screw it. I keyed up over top Mr. Monster signal one time and made the QSO. And I do say QSO because two human beings spoke to each other and exchanged information, unlike a robot while you're taking a shit. That's a contact. That information you exchanged while you were taking a shit, that's it. Don't blame me, man. Right? That's a contact. I made a QSO, and it was a good time. The moral of the story, man. The moral of the story, man, you can have a madhouse happen on top, when one of these activators gets spotted and such. And that's why I'm so passionate about the spotting aspect of this fun activity, okay? My anger is born out of passion. Yeah, that's a pretty damn good defense. And but the moral of the story, though, isn't about any of that. It's about the chaos that happens when you do an activation. And what are you gonna do when there's 500 hams just crushing each other, trying to work you? Like I said, man, the first time I tried, I ran home to mommy. And what are you gonna do? 73, guys. Be well. And have fun. Gotta have fun, man. That's the meaning of life. Bye now.